Matillion ETL version 1.61 is now publicly available to all customers. In this video, we're going to show you what's new. For all platforms, there is a new environment variable type called data structure. The data structure variable accepts JSON format data. The migration tool has been updated and now allows users to migrate their Git integration projects. And the Git merge conflict resolution tool, first featured in Matillion ETL version 1.58, has been updated to display conflicts more clearly. The sample tab in Matillion ETL has been updated. When you use the sample tab to sample data, you can now see null values. For Matillion ETL for BigQuery, the Zendesk chat extract component is now available. And for Matillion ETL for Delta Lake, the Google Sheets component is now available for Delta Lake on Databricks. The data structure variable type is new to Matillion ETL version 1.61. This lets users dynamically populate parameters that require a structured data object. Users can then parameterize and automate their jobs that extract and flatten nested data. The data structure variable accepts serialized JSON as a value, which describes the structure of the data used as an input to use incompatible components. The following components use the data structure scalar variable. Extract components such as API extract, extract nested data, and nested data load. The data structure environment variable can be created by selecting Manage Environment Variables from the project menu. When creating a new variable, data structure is now available in the type column. Data from a data source can be exported to a data structure variable. Auto-populating the variable's data structure by using the Export tab in a compatible component. For example, the data structure variable could be used with the API extract component to extract data from an API, then passed into a transformation job where the nested data can be flattened by using an extract nested data component. Migrate has been updated to now allow users to migrate their Git integration projects. When migrating a Matillion ETL instance with Git initialized, the Migrate wizard now asks whether to migrate projects that use Git. The Git merge conflict resolution feature has been updated. When resolving issues using the Git merge conflict resolution tool, there are now 3 selectable views: the conflict view, differences view, and full view. This will help provide a clearer view of which items are causing a merge conflict. The sample tab has been updated in Matillion ETL to now show null values when sampling data. On Matillion ETL for BigQuery, the Zendesk chat extract component is now available. And for Matillion ETL for Delta Lake, the Google Sheets component is now available for Delta Lake on Databricks. And that's what's new with Matillion ETL version 1.61. Please subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with the latest releases, and for more information on everything covered in this video, please visit the Matillion documentation site.